In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can add payment method on Fiverr just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to add a payment method to your Fiverr account, it's super easy. All you have to do is you just need to open your Fiverr homepage like this. Go to your Fiverr homepage and click over here on your profile picture. Then click over here on billing and payments. You will be directly in this page over here, okay, billing and payments. So all you have to do, click over here on payment method. Scroll down, you have here payment method. So click on add a payment method. So choose which payment method you want to add. If you want to add PayPal, you can add PayPal. If you want to add credit or debit card, you can use this one. So just click on credit or debit card that you want to use. And here you go. All you have to do is you just need to put your card information here. Your card number, your expiration date, security code, and your name. Then click over here on save. And that's it. That's how we can add payment method on Fiverr. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.